To simplify this expression, we have to remember there is an order of operations. We have to make sure we're solving in the same order every time. And I can use this visual anchor GEMS to help me remember. First, G stands for grouping symbols. There are no grouping symbols here, so I'm going to move on. E stands for exponents. There. Now I am only looking for multiplication and division. I'm going to look left to right. Alright, so if I start here, I see a subtraction. No, ignoring you. Alright, 3 times 5 comes first. I'm going to simplify that and bring everything else down. Now there's just one more thing to simplify, and I get my final answer. Let's follow the order of operations for an expression that's a little bit longer. Following the order of operations, I know the G stands for grouping symbols. I do see a grouping symbol. I see parentheses, so that means no matter what's inside, that gets simplified first. 6 plus 2, 8. I'm bringing everything else down. I am only simplifying one thing at a time. Now that I've taken care of the grouping symbols, I'm looking for exponents. Nope. Now let's look only for multiplication and division, looking left to right. Starting at the very left, just like we read, right? Multiplication and division, here we come. I see 3 times 8. I'm going to simplify that and bring everything else down. I'm still needing to simplify all multiplication and division first. So back to the left, looking multiplication and division. Where are you? Not here, not here. Oh, there you are. 6 divided by 2. Simplifying that. Then bringing everything else down. I have no more multiplication and division, so I can move on to looking for addition and subtraction now. Looking left to right, just like I read. Looking for addition or subtraction. Here we go. Oop, there you are. 24 plus 4, 28, minus 3. Simplify to get my answer. Notice there's no equal sign, right? An expression does not have an equal sign. Expressions, you simplify one step at a time. You evaluate it to get your final answer. If I needed to do any think space on the side of like addition or subtraction, I would put it over here. Let's do an example when there are multiple grouping symbols. So as you see here, we've got parentheses and brackets. I know that according to the order of operations, I need to do grouping symbols first. When you have multiple grouping symbols, start on the inside and work your way out. Notice how these parentheses are inside the brackets. So let's do 5 minus 3. Then copy everything else down. When we simplify expressions, we only simplify one step at a time. Next, I'm still trying to get rid of all my grouping symbols. Let's simplify what's inside the brackets. Then bring everything else down. Alright, looks like grouping symbols are done. There's no exponents. So now I'm looking for multiplication and division, looking left to right. Starting on the left, multiplication and division, look out, here we come. Nope, ignoring you. Alright, 4 times 2 is 8. Bringing everything else down. And then I can simplify to get my final answers. So remember team, when you have an expression that has multiple grouping symbols, start with the very innermost grouping symbol first and simplify one step at a time. Any think space would happen on the side.